What's up guys, Ben Hess here, and today we're going over one of the most important aspects of an engaging video. That's the details. When filming and editing the Music Matters campaign in New York City, I really wanted to focus on the details of each of the influencers. The details you capture while filming can really help engage an audience that much more in the story that you're trying to tell. So let's break down what I mean by this and how you can implement it into your own projects. When you're shooting your own videos, you want to think of the story and the subject. For instance, To the Nines are all about fashion, and we're following them around New York as they try on different outfits in unique locations. I essentially filmed them as they were making their own content, but I wanted to take it one step further and capture all the details just to show who they are and tell a complete story. Details would include the camera that they used, a close-up of the gloves that she wore, her bag and her belt, her shoes. All of these little things can really help immerse us into the video of To the Nines. For Maya, you've got a close-up of the balls before she dives into the ball pit, the steam coming from the ground as she's standing in Times Square, the reflection of the tiny little circles in the wall at Color Factory, and the stabilizer that she uses to capture the sunset. And for Rob, since he's a photographer, you've got him setting up his camera to get the perfect shot, the subway door closing and the route that the subway is going to take, the rings on his fingers, the helicopter blades as they're spinning up before takeoff. All of these moments, the details that make each person unique is what adds up to make an amazing video. So now I want you to practice this for your upcoming videos. To do this, think of the action a person is about to do, such as taking a photo. Now, what are all the details that you can capture around that scene or action? You could shoot that person setting up their shot, attaching a lens, or adjusting the ISO, looking through the viewfinder, taking the photo, adjusting the camera settings, and then you could show them editing the photo. And I mean, the list and ideas are endless for each thing that someone does. So the next time you're filming, think about all the little details that you can capture around some sort of action that the person is doing. I mean, let's say you're vlogging, you could pretty much show all the details of your normal day, such as the type of sweetener you put in your coffee, whether it's honey or sugar or vanilla syrup. You could show what type of hair gel you use, or tying your shoes. I mean, every little thing adds up, and it's all about the details because the details are what tell an amazing and captivating story. Leave a comment below of which detail you liked best from the Music Matters campaign. If you have any questions, you could also drop those below or send me a message on Instagram at Ben Hess Films. I'll be sure to answer all of them. See you guys on the next one.